Guys, hey guys, it's Bluebird's News from space. Breaking news, we might as well look at this page, see what happened to her. What's toy so far? Breaking news, let's see what happens. Yeah, freight dogs killed by the fireman Hunter puppet. Johnny the police officer got hired some days ago. And Freddy Slush Toys killed by King Pig. More coming. Newspaper 2017. January 1st. That's it for breaking news today. Bye guys. Welcome. We'll see part 2 of breaking news. This is just part 1 of breaking news with Space Bluebird here. Whatever my name is. Bye. So part 2, before I say goodbye and stop recording this, January 1st. That's when the day we're gonna add more news and see what happens on January 1st. Bye. Part 2 is coming on January 1st.